Welcome back to our Thirukkural series. In this video, we will be discussing Chapter 3, which is titled Glory of Those Who Have Relinquished. This chapter focuses on the greatness of those who have conquered their desires and overcome attachment. The seventh song of this chapter states that one who has analyzed and conquered the urges of taste, sight, touch, sound and smell will control this world. This means that the key to controlling the world lies in our ability to conquer our senses. The senses are our gateways to the world around us. They allow us to experience the beauty and wonder of life. However, they can also be our downfall if we allow them to control us. For example, our desire for good food can lead us to overindulge and become overweight, which can have negative health consequences. Our desire for material possessions can lead us to accumulate debt and financial stress. Therefore, it is important to analyze and conquer our urges in order to control our lives and achieve success. This requires self-discipline, willpower, and the ability to resist temptation. In conclusion, Thiruvallur reminds us that the ability to conquer our senses is the key to controlling our world. We must analyze and conquer our desires in order to live a fulfilling and successful life. Thank you for watching this video on Chapter 3, Song 7 of Thirukkural. Stay tuned for more videos in this series.